Okay, so this is the test for for the jump scare sound test. So what I've done is basically I've added this script called enemy jump scare. It's very simple. Basically just plays the sound that I added previously through the animation right here. Anyways, I'm pretty sure it should be working. View discretion is advised, I guess. If you're watching this with headphones, turn it down. I think it'll be very loud. Anyways. Okay. I'm waiting for the red dot to attack the side doors. Alright, so now. Yep. Works. Alright.